My name is John. I'm from Competitive Edge Cyclery in Upland, California, and I'm going to be showing you how to remove chain rings from a mountain bike. Okay, in order to change the chain rings on a mountain bike, you're going to remove the crank itself, make it easier. Once you have that removed, you're going to need to use an Allen key. You're going to unthread the Allen wrenches that are on the outside. There is a keeper on the back side, which you should be able to, with your hand, hold and remove. If not, you can use a screwdriver to grab those. Park does make a tool, but usually you don't have to use it for that. Okay, this is the tool that you use to remove to hold the back side if they do turn. It just fits in the center there. And then when you loosen the screw, you're golden. And once all the bolts are loose, you're going to take them out, taking the backing plates out as well off the back side. Okay. And then once you have them off, you can replace the chain rings as needed, and then just repeat the process in reverse to install them. This particular set of cranks is an older BioPace one, but most Shimano's will have a little tab. It's a locating tab that goes in line with the actual crank arm itself, so that once we get that on, we're going to line it up so that we can orientate it with the crank arm. And this one, the larger one, is going to have a pin on it. And that pin goes underneath the crank arm so that so that the chain won't get sucked in there. Reinstall the nuts and you're good to go. Thanks. Hope that's been helpful.